While coming in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Range Rover Sport D300 HSE Silver, with an eye-catching gloss icy white exterior complementing the Matrix LED headlights. This Range Rover Sport also comes fitted with 21-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels, as well as keyless entry and privacy glass. This Range Rover Sport also comes with a full service history, as well as a D300 295 brake horsepower engine, getting you from 0 to 60 in 7.1 seconds and reaching a top speed of 130 miles per hour. Stepping inside the Range Rover Sport now, we're just going to take a look at the driver's seat memory function, as well as a Meridian sound system and electric window controls. Also coming fitted with electric front seats, as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel, as well as the steering wheel controls, which include a heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, cruise control and voice control. And then coming up to that digital driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift paddle, as well as a 2-zone climate control and the extremely responsive Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the rear camera, heated front seats, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Range Rover Sport now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with heated rear seats, ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.